Friends, welcome to AK's Kitchen. Today I'm cooking something which was already made before. I had only posted the picture because that day I didn't take the video. So what I'm cooking today? I'm cooking Saharanpur mutton. Saharanpur, a place in Bihar. This is a traditional little rural type of cooking. It's basically cooked in a mud pot with a small narrow neck with sealed up so it cooks properly, but I don't have that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook it in pressure cooker. So we start with Saharanpur mutton today. So today for this Saharanpur mutton, which I had made before but didn't make the video. So today I'm making a video of it. It's a very simple cooking. All you need is cut onion as you want. You don't need to be in a perfect shape because this all will be melted cooking together. It's one of the easiest way to cook mutton but tastes out of this world. So all you need is like I'm cooking 800 grams mutton. So I need around 400 to 500 grams of onion. No need to be finely chopped. You can chop it as you wish, but I am chopping it little fine because that's how I have always been cutting onion. And then you need 2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon chili powder, whole garam masala, that is 3 or 4 cardamom, 1 big cardamom, 2-3 small cinnamon sticks, 3 or 4 cloves, a bit of fenugreek, and then you need 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of turmeric powder, garam masala powder as well, and you just need to heat around 150 milliliter mustard oil and just mix everything. And it's supposed to be cooked in handi. I don't have a handi, so I'll be cooking it in pressure cooker on a slow fire for around 4 to 5 whistles. So there I'm cutting the onion. Mutton is nicely washed and kept ready. So as I said, I don't need to look at the fine aspect of this onion. So I can cut it as I want. But still I'm trying to give it a better shape. But all things will be melted in the pressure cooker on a slow fire. So what I'm doing is in the pressure cooker itself, I'm just putting the mustard oil. I'll heat it and then drop everything including mutton into it. So I've taken around 150 ml. I think that should do. Here I am putting it on gas, let it heat up, and then we'll catch up. So my mustard oil is nicely heated up. I'll drop in the bay leaf, whole big cardamom, small cardamom, jeera powder, jeera, cinnamon stick. I'll drop in the 3/4 green chilies, then the onion. It's all, everything is mixed together. Then around 2 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric, half a tablespoon garam masala, then around 1 tablespoon of fenugreek powder, and then I'll add the mutton. Now I will drop the mutton pieces which are already cut and cut into small pieces and washed and drained of water. Now I need to mix everything together. So I'll just use a spoon because the oil is very hot. This needs to be nicely mixed. You don't have to do anything else further. You just shut the pressure cooker, put it on slow fire for approximately 30 to 35 minutes, depends how your gas fire is, and it's almost ready. You can remove it and from the gas check for the mutton. If it is cooked properly, you can take it off, or if it still needs to be cooked, maybe you can put in around half a cup of water. That's only if needed, and close it and cook for maybe next 5-10 minutes more, and your mutton Saharanpur is ready. So this is very simple to make. Ingredients are very simple. Cooking method is very simple, and take my word, tastes very nice, especially with some rice or nice tandoori roti. Thank you. So everything is mixed properly. Now it goes onto the gas. I'll keep it in a slow fire so it keeps cooking. In the meantime, let me enjoy some whiskey. And today, for a change, I thought to have Signature, one of my favorite whiskey from India. So I have it here. So just thought to have a little bit of whiskey, not too much. Thank you. It's not weekend, so just for the namesake, I'm having a whiskey. That's Signature today, not any scotch, not anything else. Thank you. So here is mutton Saharanpur, cooked in cooker, not in the pot as the traditionally it is cooked. It's nicely done. You can see the consistency of the gravy, the color, and the taste is absolutely out of the world. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel from AK's Kitchen. I also have an FB page, AK's Kitchen, which you can find the link in my post. Please go like and comment. Try the recipe, cook it. I'm sure you will love it.